Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about hot wallets and cold wallets. And in detail, I'll be explaining the major differences between these both. Guys, crypto wallet is a place where you store a crypto, right? But did you know it comes as a hot wallet and cold wallet? Guys, hosted wallet, non-custodial wallets or hardware wallets all have and will perform the same fundamental functions in storing your keys but in different ways. Guys, now all wallets are broadly classified into two categories. Hot wallet, also known as a software wallet, it's a computer program or a decentralized application that you can use. It is called as hot wallet because it can generate and store your private keys or seed phrases in an online environment. Now, a cold wallet is a wallet where the private keys are not exposed to the internet in any way other than beyond simple transfers. It cannot be used to interact with any smart contracts. Now, cold wallet comes in different forms like a hardware wallet, paper wallet, or a brain wallet. Guys, hardware wallets are physical devices which resembles your pen drive or hard disks. Paper wallets are it usually involves printing your private keys on a piece of paper, and a brain wallets it relies on memorizing your private keys. Now, guys, coming to the hardware wallets. Here, the private keys are generated and stored locally within the device and it's not exposed to the internet. And this provides superior security. But on the other hand, it's not at all convenient for frequent transactions. Guys, these type of hardware wallets are usually used by people who often hold a large amount of crypto assets. Now, guys, you all got some type of idea like what are these hot wallets and cold wallets, right? Now, where do you find this hot wallets? Guys, hot wallets are decentralized wallet applications like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, etc. etc. You can easily download them on Play Store or App Store. Guys, these type of wallets, they perform transactions and they interact by using internet. Users can simply create an account on these type of wallets in few minutes time and they can log into these wallets from any part of the world at any point of time. So guys, this convenience and internet connection comes at a cost, and that is security risks. Since hot wallets are always exposed to the internet, the chances of your wallet getting hacked or compromised is very high. Hackers can use software bugs, malware, or phishing method to hack into your account like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and they can drain out everything. Guys, if you're using wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or whichever wallet you find on the internet, and if you're holding a large amount of cryptocurrencies on that wallet for a very long time, then my suggestion, my personal opinion is keep a separate phone, keep a separate smartphone for that because hackers are really getting very smart day by day. Now, guys, assume that if a scammer or hacker, if they successfully put a malware on your phone, and without knowing, if you use that phone and if you copy the seed phrases and paste it on the note or WhatsApp or whichever application you want, the malware will copy that seed phrases and it will send immediately to that hacker or a scammer, and immediately within few minutes time your wallets will get drained out. So my suggestion is if your holdings are very big, then keep a separate phone. Now, guys, coming to the cold wallets, its primary benefit is security. No hacker can hack it, no scammer can steal it. It's highly safe because it's not connected to the internet. Guys, cold wallets are mainly used to store crypto for a very long time, and hot wallets are used for day-to-day transactions. Guys, personally, I'll tell you what I'm doing. My portfolio is divided a lot. The crypto that I'm holding for more than 10 years time, those assets are on hardware wallets. The crypto assets that I'm holding for few years time with constant updating like adding or removing assets, that I'm holding on wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, etc. etc. And the funds that I constantly trade on futures, those funds are present on exchanges. Not on one exchange, but on 7 to 8 different exchanges. Exchange details I'll share at the end. Guys, especially the crypto that I'm holding on decentralized wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or any other wallet, I have a separate phone for that. Guys, I don't download applications on that phone. I don't reply to messages on Facebook, Instagram, emails. So basically, everything is limited on that phone just to safeguard my crypto. And guys, I've already made a detailed video on how to use Trust Wallet. So if you want to check out that video, the link will be in the description of this video. And guys, if you want MetaMask or any other wallet tutorial, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Now, coming to exchanges that I'm using, my trading funds are distributed equally on 7 to 8 different type of exchanges. I'm using Bitget, BingX, Binance, Bitunix, CoinX, CoinDCX, and a few other exchanges. And out of all these exchanges, CoinDCX is an Indian exchange. Bitunix, Coinex are non-KYC international exchanges, and remaining exchanges are all KYC compulsory. Now, guys, out of all these exchanges, CoinDCX is an easy exchange and user-friendly exchange for beginners. You can deal everything with INR directly, and you can also deposit and withdraw INR directly from your bank account. Now, guys, if you have any doubts related to this hot wallet or cold wallet, then do let me know in the comment section down below. And guys, please do drop a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now, if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, a peace.